How to activate Hulu with Max Bundle 2025. Bundle streaming sounds simple, but activation trips up a lot of people. Most people get this wrong, so let's walk through exactly how to activate the Hulu with Max bundle in 2025. First, make sure you're subscribed to an eligible Hulu plan that includes Max. This is often bundled through Hulu directly or via select providers. Sign into your Hulu account on a web browser. Go to Account, then look for the Max section under your subscription details. You'll see an option to activate Max. Click Activate and follow the prompts. You'll be redirected to create or link a Max account using the same email address. This step is important for automatic access. Once activation is complete, download the Max app on your TV, phone or tablet. Sign in using the email you linked during activation. You won't believe how many people accidentally use the wrong email here. After signing in, you'll have full access to Max content at no extra charge. The surprising truth is that activation must be done through Hulu first. Logging into Max alone won't work without linking accounts. If content doesn't unlock immediately, log out and back in or restart the app. Now you know how to activate Hulu with Max without frustration. Subscribe for more streaming setup guides that actually help.